Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are to do picture composition. Picture composition on fruit. We will tell you about fruit. Come one by one and tell about your fruit. Adnan, come and tell something about mango.
Mango is a fruit. It is national fruit. It is yellow, green in color. The taste of mango sweet and sharp. It from summer season. Mango is my favorite fruit. It is source of vitamin A, B, C. This is a mango.
Good. Place on the proper place. Good. Now Akshat. Come, Akshat. Come. Tell something about orange.
This is an orange. It is orange in color. It is juicy fruit. It is full of vitamin C. It has many seeds. I like to eat an orange. This is an orange.
Okay, good. Sure, Samrat, come. Tell something about apple.
This is the apple. It is an apple. It is red in color. It is red in color. It has fruit. It is a high fruit. It grows on tree. An apple a day. It's total a day. This is the apple.
Good. Harsh, come. Tell something about watermelon.
I'm going to tell about watermelon. Watermelon is juicy fruit. It is oval in a shape. It is green from outside and red from inside. It comes in summer season. It is on vines. It is rich between and fiber.
Okay.
Watermelon. This is watermelon.
Come, Kinjan. Tell something about pineapple.
This is a pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit. Pineapple is a juicy fruit. Pineapple is a tropical plant. It mainly able indoor. It's a pineapple. Apple.
One, two, three, four. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Every single day. I eat fruit. Mondays I eat guavas. Tuesday I eat watermelon. Wednesdays I eat orange. Thursday I don't care. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Fridays I eat mangoes. Saturdays some grapes. Sundays I eat apples. I think fruits are great. Na na